Go.
Get him up, Spike, Spike, get him up. Push him, push him, push him. Skip, skip, skip. Get in there, Spike. Get in there, Spike. Skip, skip, skip. Spike, lie down. Skip, skip.
Is he afraid of us?
He might be, because when she got him, all he wanted to do was take down livestock, and she has
Backed him off a lot.
backed him off a lot.
Probably doing it a little too far. For my liking. See, when those heifers hiss him, I want to see him in the face.
Yeah,
There you go.
there you go.
There you go. Let him do that. Let him do it. He needs some of that. He may get kicked in the face, but
Oof.
you gotta let these dogs work. You gotta let them work. And I'm not the person that worries whether they bite my cattle on the leg or not. You know, you're training dogs. That's going to happen.
He was taking bellies out of, trying to get him by the belly or drag him down and get him, sheep, that is, there in the beginning.
Yeah. He's got this thing of